This week has been a long one. Having no class on Tuesday extended the time between podcasts. We've been working even more on converting graphs between position versus time, velocity versus time, and acceleration versus time. We also worked on word problems. A good thing about word problems is they take often abstract topics and relate them to real world. What I did this week was to continue honing my skills at converting graphs up and down from position versus time to acceleration versus time. One thing that has been helpful is using slope to convert downward and area to convert up. I also communicated with Dan and Pearl about Project 2 design and an action. In class on the second, we had a bunch of graphs to convert. First, our group on our own, then with the help of our group. At the end of class, we worked on 3 word problems, as well as the topic of projectile motion was introduced. Between classes, I did my usual stuff. Look at the class website, contribute to the wiki, and also this week I did and sent out my technical instruction manual evaluations. What I learned this week is how to more efficiently convert various graphs of motion to one another, starting with position versus time and going down to acceleration versus time, use the slope of the graphs, and from acceleration versus time up to position versus time, use the total area of the graph. Something that Dave said that's helping me to convert parabolic shaped position versus time graphs and is to say the shape and the name of the motion of the graph into words, such as for the shape, moving away, slowing down, and moving away, speeding up. Using these techniques, it is easier to convert to a velocity graph for each situation. Here's an example. And this is the other example. What I still need to do is work on these problems more. As Dave often says, the only way to get better at them is to just do them. I think the graphs will help me to grasp the concept. I would also like to work more on word problems. I think that these are more pertinent to life and it makes it easier to take the knowledge in with the real world connections. Also, feedback on our TIM would be great. This has been a long week and a long time away from physics. The next class will be important for the evolution of our project. At the end of class on Thursday, we talked about projectile motion. This will obviously be an important part of our project for our balloon launcher. We'll wait and see how things line up. Hopefully everything goes well this week since testing in class on Tuesday. Maybe we'll be pushed back a day since